Mabel Fairbanks was an American figure skater and coach. As an African American and Native American woman, she paved the way for other minorities to compete in the sport of figure skating, such as Naomi Lang. She was inducted into the U.S. Figure Skating Hall of Fame as the first person of African American and Native American descent and the International Women's Sports Hall of Fame. Mabel Fairbanks was born on November 14, 1915 in Florida's Everglades. Her father was African American, while her mother was a Native American of English descent. In a 1999 interview, she said, "My mother took in everybody, every kid off the street, and gave them a place to stay and something to eat. So I never knew who were my real sisters and brothers, but my older sister told me there were 14. Fairbanks was orphaned at the age of 8 when her mother died. After staying with a teacher who treated her like a maid, she joined one of her brothers in New York City. She worked for him and his wife at their fish market on 8th Avenue in Harlem, but they became displeased when, out of sympathy, she gave a family more fish than they had paid for. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.